want to. I'm not gonna fight. Stop!
Get out of it, Target.
I'm not gonna fight.
Where's her knee? Hi, James from Albuquerque. We miss you.
We miss you.
Say hi to your lover. Say hi. Or I'll tickle you some more. Say hi, to James, or you'll be tickled some more.
She's so gay. She's. Say hi to James.
Say hi to James, or you shall be tickled again.
Yo.
Say it.
I can't handle being tickled. No.
Say hi to James.
No.
Tell him how much you love him.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Okay, James, I guess you don't get a hi from Azalina.
She's crying.
Will you tell James how much Azalina loves him?
She loves you. She loves you this much.
How much do you love James? All right, James. Until later. Peace in Kosovo.